Now we are going to design a jump nut for our rack end. So we have to determine the diameter of this threaded part of our rack end. So to do this, we open part, okay, and then we try to see the diameter of this part. So it should be this exploded bolts. So we click, so we can see that the diameter is 10 mm. So we are going to make a nut, a jump nut for this one. So we go open part, okay. So on front plane, we sketch a circle with a dimension of 10 mm, okay, 10, alright, and then we draw a hexagon, okay, with a dimension of 14, okay, meaning this jump nut could be used 14 mm spanner. Okay. Once done, we go features and extrude by 15 mm, right, check. So this is now our jump nut. So we can make a thread on this one, but before we do that, I want to make a chamfer on this edge, okay, and also on this edge. Alright, I want a chamfer of 1 mm, or I change it to 1.5, a bit deep inside, okay, check. Alright, so after that, I have the sketch on this space, sketch, okay, and then draw a circle. Alright, so the circle, it should be also smart dimension. Smart dimension, I make this one as 11, okay, 11 mm. So with the 11 mm, I go features, and then we go helix, okay. So we are going to put this one 15, because one revolution or one pitch is 1 mm, so it will go through, okay, check. So we are going to draw on top plane for the profile of the thread. We are going to cut it, okay, normal 2. So I'm going to sketch here. I'm going to sketch a line, so it should touch my helix, okay, escape, and then I'm going to draw center line exactly on the middle of the line. Alright, so that is the middle. Okay, I'm going to make on this direction. Alright, and then we draw now the profile of the thread. Okay, now we are going to mirror this line and this line. Mirror above, use the center line, and then check. Now we put the dimension, so this should be 0.8 mm, and this should be 0.2 mm, 0.2, and the height should be 1.1 mm, because if 1 I am afraid it will not cut all, so I put 1.1 mm. Okay, we close the sketch, and then features, we go sweep cut. So we select this helix as the guide. Alright, and then let's see if he cut all. No, so therefore we change this direction. Okay, so once cut, all right, we can hide the helix so that we can see. Now this is our threaded part of the nut. Okay, now if you notice, this is a bit big, the jumper, so we can edit this one and then edit, and we make it only 1 mm. Okay, and then check. So now it's better. So this is now our nut, so we can make fillet to make it nice. So fillet or jumper, okay, or better we select this edge. So we make this one 0.5 only, enter. So all the edge we select. Alright, select this edge. Oh, we don't select the base, the edge only. So similarly here, actually we can select this. Oh, you cannot, so we select only the edge. Alright, the edge. Okay, check. So now our nut is done. We can change the material, okay, of this part. So we make it metal. We can make it okay, we can make it okay, chrome. So we select this area, then maybe we color with light blue. Alright, check, and then we save as nut. Okay, save. So that's it for the design for the nut.